Welcome to Sek Math Academy. In this lesson we are going to see basics of complex numbers. Basics of complex numbers. Okay. What is square root of 4? 2. Very simple. What is square root of minus 4? Square root of minus 4. It is square root of minus 1, square root of 4, it is 2, square root of minus 1. How to represent square root of minus 1? It is I, imaginary number, I root 2. Okay. So, we cannot find square root of any negative numbers, so that the I term is complex number is introduced. Okay. Now Z is equal to complex number can be mentioned as A plus IB. A is real number, B is real number, but IB it is an imaginary number. Okay. Okay. Now, modulus of Z or amplitude of Z. Modulus of Z or amplitude of Z. How to represent Z? Modulus of Z. What is the value modulus of Z? Square root of A squared plus B squared. Square root of A squared plus B squared. Modulus, some books mention amplitude, magnitude. Okay. Modulus of Z, we will say modulus of Z. Okay. Or magnitude also same meaning. Okay. Now another one. Amplitude of Z. Or some book mention argument of Z. Both are commonly, evenly mentioned. Amplitude. Don't confuse between amplitude and magnitude. Amplitude is tan inverse. Tan inverse B by A. Okay. For example, Z is equal to 1 plus I root 3. What is Z is equal to 1 plus I root 3? What is amplitude of Z? Tan inverse. Here what is B? Root 3. Root 3. What is A? 1. Tan inverse 1 root 3 is what? 60 degree or pi by 3. Okay. Trigonometry values also, familiarization of trigonometry value is also very important in complex numbers. Okay, let us see. First, write it down until now. Z equal to A plus IB. A and B are real numbers. IB is imaginary number. Okay. I is equal to square root of minus 1. Modulus of Z or magnitude of Z is square root of A square plus B square. Amplitude of Z or argument of Z, same meaning, tan inverse B by A. B is coefficient of imaginary number. Okay. So tan inverse, all the tan, write it down. Okay. Okay, tan inverse 0 is, this is a theta. What is tan theta? Tan 0 is 0. Tan 30 is 1 over root 3. Tan 45 1. Tan 60 root 3. Tan 90 infinity. Okay. Tan theta is, tan minus theta is is equal to minus tan theta. So suppose tan inverse minus infinity, what is the value? Minus pi by 2, that is minus 90 degree. Got it? For example, 0 plus minus I. What is the modulus of z is equal to minus I? What is modulus of z, amplitude of z? Tan inverse. Tan inverse minus 1. Here what is the coefficient? B is minus 1. What is the what is A? A is 0. So tan inverse infinity. Tan inverse minus infinity. So it is minus pi by 2 or minus 90. Okay. Till that, copy down. This is called conjugate of z. So if z is a plus ib, conjugate of z is a minus ib. Okay. So what is the modulus of conjugate z? That is also same, because okay, that is also same. Modulus of conjugate z is equal to modulus of z. Both are square root of a square plus b square. But the amplitude of z bar conjugate z is equal to tan inverse minus b by a. It is nothing but minus tan inverse b by a. It is minus theta. Okay. Minus amplitude of z. Okay. Amplitude of z bar is equal to minus amplitude of z. Modulus of z bar is equal to modulus of z. Okay. Copy it down. Modulus of z1 multiplied by z2 is equal to modulus of z1 modulus of z2. Okay, and argument of or amplitude of z1 times z2 is equal to amplitude of z1 plus amplitude of z2. Got it? Here multiplied. Modulus is multiplied. Argument or amplitude. Here either we will put same word. Amplitude is addition. Here it is multiplied. Okay? The same way here. You guess it, it is same meaning. Amplitude of z1 by z2 z2. Okay. Copy down this one. Okay. Next is, now till now we have seen Cartesian form, z equal to a plus ib. It is a Cartesian form. Now we are going to do in polar form. Z is equal to r cos theta plus I sin theta. What does that mean? A is equal to R cos theta, B is equal to R sin theta. This is the meaning. Okay. What is R? Square root of A squared plus B squared. What is theta? Tan inverse B by A. That's all. Okay. Here for polar form, for modulus of Z is R. Amplitude of Z is theta. Okay. Copy it out. Z1, Z2. Z1 is suppose R1 cos theta 1. Z1 is R1 cos theta 1 plus I sin theta 1. Z2 R2 cos theta 2 plus I sin theta 2. Then Z1, Z2 is equal to R1, R2 multiply. Then cos theta 1 plus theta 2 plus I sin theta 1 plus theta 2. Okay. Now, cubic roots of unit. What is cubic roots of unity? You could recall 1 omega omega square. What is omega? Minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. What is omega square? Minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Good. Copy it down. Now, I power 1 is I. What is I square? What is I square? Square root of minus 1. Square of square root of minus 1. Minus 1. What is I cube? Minus I. What is I power 4? 1. I power 5 will come to the I. This is cycle, one cycle. Okay, suppose I power 43. I power 40 times I cube. A power m plus n. Okay. Now, I power 40 is what? 1. I cube is minus I. So it is minus I. Got it? Suppose I power 78. What is I power 76? I squared. It is minus 1. Okay. I power 100. I power 100. Then I power 0. I power 100 is 1. Okay, got it? Okay, we have seen what is complex number. Y I is equal to square root of minus 1. Then Cartesian form is A plus IB. Polar form is R cos theta plus I sin theta. Then modulus of Z, amplitude of Z. Then Z1 times Z2. How the modulus will be there? Modulus is just a multiplet of modulus of Z1 times modulus of Z2. Amplitude of Z1 Z2 is amplitude of Z1 plus amplitude of Z2. Modulus of Z1 by Z2 is equal to modulus of Z1 by modulus of Z2. The same case in amplitude of Z1 minus amplitude of Z2. Okay. Tan inverse, all the values recall. Minus infinity means minus pi by 2 theta. Then r equal to square root of a square plus b square. Theta is equal to tan inverse b by a. Mod conjugate z equal to a plus, if z is a plus ib, conjugate z equal to a minus ib. Okay. Thank you for watching. I am keep on delivering videos. Please watch. See.